A stock is a raw material. This could be aluminum, steel, even different types of plastics that we turn into a part by removing parts of the material, adding holes to the material. We can machine parts as quickly as less than a minute to some parts take over an hour. My name is John Morris. I'm a machinist here at Nordson Corporation. A machinist sets up and operates in a computerized machining center. This book has the program that we're running on and a list of all the tooling and fixturing needed to run this part. Each code and command has directions to give to the machine. It informs the machine of what it needs to be doing at that particular time. This right here is a stock piece that we're going to use to turn into our base plate, which is a component on our adhesive application products. Nordson makes a variety of different products for a variety of different industries. Their industrial coating products are used in companies all over the world. They make components for electronics as well as the medical field. A lot of the components we make are very accurate. We're measuring some of the components to 10,000ths of an inch. Once a part's complete, we need to verify that it's accurate, and we do that by comparing it to our blueprints. In order for us to check this particular part, we have plug gauges. That's the size of the gauge, and this one's listed 540. This tells me what dimension that this hole needs to be made at. It says that there are 6 holes that need to have a diameter of 0.531. You are allowed plus or minus 10,000ths, 0.010. That's how you get the gauge 0.521, which is 10,000ths under, and 0.540, which is 10,000ths over. This one should fall into the diameter hole. This one should stay out. Basic to intermediate math skills are extremely helpful. You're using math all the time. And then more on a general sense, attention to detail is very helpful. You're making parts to highly specific specifications. So the more you pay attention to detail, the better you'll be. No 2 days are the same. You walk out a better machinist than you walked in every day, and that's rewarding.